Have you ever wondered what goes on behind the doors of a Coca-Cola factory? That iconic red can, the unmistakable fizz, the secret recipe. It all starts in a place of incredible precision and massive scale. Today, we're going on an exclusive journey to unlock the secrets of Coca-Cola's bottling process. We'll follow that famous drink from simple ingredients all the way to the finished product you see on the shelf. It's a story of science, speed, and a whole lot of bubbles. So, grab a Coke, sit back, and let's go inside the factory. The heart of Coca-Cola's magic is, of course, its secret formula, while the exact recipe, known as Merchandise 7X, is famously locked away in a vault in Atlanta. The journey in the factory begins with two key components: treated water and the concentrate. Water is the main ingredient, but it's not just any tap water. It undergoes a rigorous multi-step purification process, including filtration, reverse osmosis, and disinfection. This ensures every single drop meets Coca-Cola's strict global standards for taste and quality, guaranteeing that a Coke in Tokyo tastes the same as one in New York. Simultaneously, the precious concentrate, delivered under tight security, is prepared. This is the essence of Coca-Cola, the secret blend of flavors that gives it that unique taste we all know. Once the purified water is ready, it's time for the big mix. The water is piped into massive, sterile stainless steel tanks. Here, it's combined with the concentrate in a precise amount of sweetener, which could be high fructose corn syrup or sugar, depending on the region. These ingredients are blended together with incredible accuracy to create what is known as the final syrup or finished beverage base. The tanks are constantly agitated to make sure everything is dissolved and evenly distributed. This stage is crucial, because any mistake here would affect millions of bottles. Quality control teams take samples at this point to test for taste, color, and composition, making sure it's absolutely perfect before moving on. Now, for the part that puts the sparkle in Coca-Cola: carbonation. The flat beverage is chilled to a very specific, near-freezing temperature. Why so cold? Because colder liquids can absorb and hold much more carbon dioxide gas. The chilled liquid is then pumped into a device called a carbonator. Inside this high-pressure vessel, pure, food-grade carbon dioxide gas is injected into the liquid. It's a bit like a giant, industrial-strength soda. The combination of high pressure and low temperature forces the CO2 to dissolve into the drink, creating those millions of tiny, fizzy bubbles. The amount of carbonation is meticulously controlled. Too little, and the drink is flat. Too much, and it could cause the bottles to. It's this precise carbonation that gives Coke its signature sharp, refreshing bite. While the drink is being mixed and carbonated, another incredible process is happening in parallel. Bottle manufacturing. For plastic bottles, it all starts with tiny, test tube-shaped plastic forms called preforms. These are heated to a specific temperature, making them soft and pliable. They are then placed into a bottle-shaped mold. High-pressure air is blasted into the preform, instantly inflating it like a balloon to fit the mold's shape. This is called stretch blow molding, and it happens in a fraction of a second. Thousands of perfect, crystal-clear PET bottles are created every single minute. 4 glass bottles and aluminum cans, they arrive at the factory pre-made, but go through their own intense preparation. They are first sent through a high-pressure air and water rinser, a process called depalletizing rinsing, to ensure they are completely clean and sterile before they meet the Coca-Cola. Now it's time to bring everything together. This is the filling line. A symphony of high-speed, synchronized machinery. The clean, empty bottles, or cans, are fed onto a fast-moving conveyor belt. They enter a rotary filling machine, which is the star of the show. This machine is a marvel of engineering. As it spins, it lifts each bottle, pressurizes it with CO2 to match the pressure of the drink, and then fills it with the chilled, carbonated Coca. This is done with incredible speed and precision to prevent the drink from losing its fizz. The fillers are so accurate they can fill thousands of bottles per minute with the exact same amount of liquid, down to the milliliter. It's a mesmerizing dance of mechanics, ensuring not a single drop is wasted and every bottle is perfect. As soon as a bottle is filled, it has to be sealed immediately to trap the carbonation inside. The filled bottles move seamlessly from the filler to the capper. For plastic and glass bottles, a machine rapidly applies a cap and twists it on with the perfect amount of torque enough to seal it, but not so tight that you can't open it. For cans, a separate machine places the lid on top and then crimps it shut, creating an airtight, double seam seal. This entire process, from filling to capping, happens in a sealed, hygienic environment in just a few seconds. The speed is critical. Any delay would allow the precious CO2 to escape, resulting in a flat, disappointing drink. With the bottles sealed, the journey isn't over yet. Before they get their iconic label, the bottles often pass through a warmer. This might sound strange after they were just chilled, but it serves a crucial purpose. The cold bottles would cause condensation to form on the outside in the ambient factory air, which could interfere with labeling and packaging. The bottle warmer gently brings them up to room temperature, ensuring the outside surface is dry. Once they're dry, they move on to the labeler. Here, the famous Coca-Cola label is applied with adhesive, or as a plastic sleeve that shrinks to fit with a blast of heat. It's at this moment that the clear bottle is transformed into the instantly recognizable product. Before any bottle leaves the factory, it must pass a final, rigorous quality inspection. The bottle zoomed past a series of automated inspection stations that use lasers, cameras, and sensors to check for everything. They check the fill level, ensure the cap is sealed correctly, look for any defects in the bottle itself, and even make sure the label is on straight. It's a high-tech gauntlet. Any bottle that fails even one of these checks is automatically rejected from the line. This relentless commitment to quality ensures that the product you buy is always safe, consistent, and meets the high standards you expect from Coca-Cola. Finally, the finished and inspected bottles are ready for the world. They are grouped together by another set of amazing machines. Robotic arms and automated packers arrange them into packs of 6, 12, or 24. These packs are then wrapped in plastic film or placed into cardboard cases. The cases are then stacked onto pallets by giant robotic arms, a process called palletizing. Each pallet is wrapped for stability and labeled for tracking. Forklifts then whisk these completed pallets away to a massive warehouse, where they wait to be loaded onto trucks. From there, they begin their final journey to supermarkets, convenience stores, restaurants, and vending machines all around the globe, ready for you to enjoy. So, the next time you hear that satisfying fizz as you open a bottle of Coke, you'll know the incredible journey it has taken, from purified water and secret concentrate, through a whirlwind of mixing, carbonating, filling, and packaging. It's a process defined by speed, precision, and an unwavering focus on quality. It is a testament to over a century of innovation that has turned a simple beverage into a global icon. The factory never sleeps, constantly working to bring that little moment of happiness to billions of people. Thanks for joining us on this look inside the world of Coca-Cola. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into how the world works. See you next time.